The AI music generation market is exploding, projected to reach $2.9 billion by 2025. Millions of users are creating songs monthly, and at the heart of this boom is the battle between two titans, Suno AI and Udio AI. Both promise studio quality tracks, but which one actually delivers for your creative goals? We dive deep into the differences between these two platforms, drawing directly from the extensive hands-on testing conducted by the experts at AllAboutAI. We're breaking down quality, speed, customization, and the all-important question of commercial rights. Speed versus quality, the core difference. The fundamental difference comes down to your priorities. Suno AI is the choice for creators who prioritize speed and ease of use, earning an overall rating of 4.65. It delivers faster song generation with a more intuitive interface, making it ideal for beginners and rapid prototyping. Udio AI, rated 4.55, feels more like a studio for professionals. It requires more time investment and technical knowledge, but its focus is on delivering professional, studio-grade audio output, audio fidelity, and vocal realism. In our testing, vocal quality was the most polarizing factor. Udio produces more realistic, emotionally nuanced vocals in 67% of direct comparisons. One power user described the difference like comparing a cassette-recorded song to a CD, with Udio providing that wow studio quality. Udio's advanced voice generation captures emotion and avoids the vocal sameness that sometimes plagues Suno. This is clear in genre performance. When tested on rock metal, Udio delivered powerful and organic sound, handling distorted tones and wide dynamic ranges far better than Suno. Udio achieved a 4.85 for vocal realism in rock. However, Suno excelled in Pop Top 40, where its V4.5 model generated polished tracks ready for radio play. Udio often produces tracks with superior stereo width and layering, resulting in near-studio quality. Workflow, customization, and testing results. When it comes to control, Udio gives producers what they need. It features a dedicated instrumental mode, full key and tempo adjustment in its V1.5 model, and a comprehensive advanced parameters panel. Udio provides 3 to 4x more granular control parameters than Suno. Suno, however, dominates workflow efficiency. It's the king of iteration speed, offering a replace section feature that allows you to surgically edit lyrics in a 5-15-second segment while maintaining musical continuity. For creators on a tight schedule, Suno's 5x faster workflow makes it the clear choice for YouTube Shorts and rapid content creation. We ran tests using identical prompts and model settings to ensure unbiased insights. The weighted average results across all genres in AllAboutAI's testing showed Suno AI slightly ahead in overall balance, primarily due to its superior speed and prompt responsiveness.
Try to bury me deep, but I sprout through the cracks. Concrete jungle, I'm the rose of fights back. Pressure made a diamond shining off the black. Scrape knees, still I'm climbing, never looking back. Voices in my head said I'd never make a sound. Now my echo shakes the ground, I'm the king unbound. They threw stones, I built.
The legal reality and ownership. Ownership is crucial for monetization. Suno requires a paid Pro or Premier plan $10 per month minimum for you to own the commercial rights to your generated music. Free tier creations belong to Suno and cannot be monetized. Udio is more generous. It grants full ownership and commercial rights to all users. Free users only need to credit Udio. However, in November 2025, Udio settled with Universal Music Group, UMG, resulting in a major change. Udio temporarily removed song download capabilities following the settlement. This means Udio offers greater free tier rights, but Suno offers clearer operational stability for downloads. The choice between Suno AI and Udio AI depends entirely on your creative profile. If you are a beginner, lyricist, or YouTube Shorts creator prioritizing volume, speed, and simplicity, go with Suno AI. Its easy-to-use dashboard and fast generation workflow stand out. If you are a producer, musician, or long-form music video creator prioritizing audio richness, deep control, and professional mixing quality, Udio AI is your best bet. The ultimate pro tip, according to advanced users, is to use a hybrid workflow. Use Suno to quickly create full song ideas, and then use Udio to polish the vocals and enhance the final version. This comprehensive comparison, based on the fact-driven insights and hands-on testing methodology utilized by AllAboutAI, should guide you toward your perfect AI music partner. Let me know in the comments. Are you prioritizing speed with Suno or quality with Udio? Don't forget to like and subscribe.